Welcome MOTU fans to another Third Earth Reviews toy review, and today I will be reviewing the Masters of the Universe Heroic Armored Warhorse, Stridor. Stridor was released in 1984 as part of Wave 3 of the Masters of the Universe toy line from Mattel. Unlike most of the vintage Masters of the Universe figures, Stridor did not come on a blister card packaging. Instead, he came in an open window box. There was a beautiful illustration of Stridor and He-Man on the top of the box, and on the back there were images of other characters, vehicles, and the Grayskull playset that were sold separately. Stridor was also released in a gift set as a 2-pack with Fisto in 1984. He's considered to be a vehicle and did not come with any mini-comic. As an interesting side note, the 1985 released Night Stalker is just a repaint Stridor. Although Stridor only had a few appearances in the vintage mini-comics and original Filmation cartoon, he is still a good representation of the original design. Stridor appeared in the mini-comic The Clash of Arms with Fisto, and in the Filmation episode Origin of Sorceress. His paint deco is mostly brown, tan, and gray coloring, and there are some interesting sculpted details for his mechanical parts. He can sit one humanoid character, such as He-Man or Fisto, and does not require any batteries to operate. Unlike most of the vintage Masters of the Universe figures, Stridor does not have any articulation, but does have a few action features. These action features include a movable laser cannon on the front, a movable rear-mounted tail laser turret, and a movable tail. Stridor comes with a removable helmet, which is made of a solid orange-red plastic, an instruction sheet, and a sticker sheet. Sadly, I was unable to find any variations of Stridor, so if you happen to know about any, please let me know in the comments below. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you can check out all my other reviews. In my next vintage MOTU review, I will be taking a look at Stridor. So, until then, this has been Third Earth Reviews.